Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer you, can you change the song on Instagram highlight? So let's say you posted your story, then you put it in the highlights, and now you don't like the song that you put it on that story, now you want to change it. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So without further ado, let's jump to Instagram. Now we're gonna go to our profile. Now let's see these highlights here. So I don't have any with a song. I'll need to add one, so I'm gonna go edit, stories. I'm gonna choose last one with a song. It's done. Now I'm gonna go there. So if I want to change it, and see here you have a few options, but you don't have any option to change the music. So if you want to change the music on this specific story in highlights, you'll need to re-upload this and then choose a different song. So the easiest thing to do is to remove this from highlights, remove, and then on this plus icon here, upload your story again and put the music you like. So that was all for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.